the last day of Voter Adhikar Yatra in Bihar, and it seems the SEO is making noise even there. Rahul Gandhi has targeted Prime Minister Modi and has attacked him. He has said that he has said that even the Chinese are saying that Vote Chor should leave the Gaddi. Now, remember, Rahul Gandhi was making these comments during the Bihar's Vote Adhikar Yatra, and he was targeting the SEO summit that was happening in China in Tianjin. And there he made some comments, and one of the comments was that till now we've only put out the atom bomb in front of people, and now they're going to be hydrogen bomb of revelations which will be coming soon. He also targeted Prime Minister Modi. He said that even in America and China, people are asking him to leave his post. So Rahul Gandhi clearly making a huge attack at the Prime Minister. Let's listen in to what he said.
वोट चोर, क्या प्रधानमंत्री जी वोट चोर क्या कर रहे हैं? क्या कर रहे हैं? वोट चोरी कर रहे हैं। एक नया नारा चला है बिहार में, वोट चोर गद्दी छोड़। इसको प्ले कीजिए आप, लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। वहां भी बोल रहे हैं लोग, चाइना में भी लोग बोल रहे हैं वोट चोर गद्दी छोड़, अमेरिका में भी बोल रहे हैं।
And joining. So it seems that Prime Minister Modi has come on the target of opposition leader Rahul Gandhi, as he's taking a jibe and saying that even in America and China, people are saying that he should leave his post. Joining us now is India Today's Mosmi Singh. Mosmi, a very casual remark there by Rahul Gandhi while speaking to the media, but he is making a reference to maybe some comments made by aides of Trump about Prime Minister Modi and about India. What exactly does he mean by the comment that even in China and America, people are saying that he should leave his post?
Yeah, Ali, if you try to see, since Rahul Gandhi has started his tirade against PM Modi and the slogan "Vote Chor, Gaddi Chor," it's a call for action. It's a direct attack at Prime Minister Modi. It's a very personal attack. In fact, saying "Vote Chor, Gaddi Chor," not in fact thereby attacking the EC. It is an attack on Prime Minister Modi, and thereby he feels that. By saying that even in China and America, people are saying that vote chor, gaddi chor, he's just trying to amplify his attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Thank you, Mosmi, for those details. So clearly, a personal attack from Rahul Gandhi on the Prime Minister. Here he's using a new slogan, vote chor, gaddi chor. Going back to Mosmi, if you're still with us, also, this comment about a hydrogen bomb now. What does he mean by that? Because he said the hydrogen bomb is stronger than the atom bomb. So can we expect a much bigger, what Rahul Gandhi says, a revelation from them?
Clearly, he's trying to say that this is not a one-off incident in Karnataka. It's happening in Maharashtra. It's also happening in Haryana, and slowly the Congress is going to unravel issues unravel a huge vote chor, gaddi chor campaign in Haryana. That's what Rahul Gandhi means, that it's just about increasing the intensity of the revelations about how Election Commission has been trying to subvert the elections at the behest of the BJP. And that's what he means by hydrogen bomb, which is more intense than an atom bomb.
Right. Let's listen into what exactly is Rahul Gandhi saying during his last speech, or rather comments to the media while addressing the Vote Adhikar Yatra in Bihar.
बीजेपी के लोग अच्छी तरह सुन लीजिए भैया, एटम बम का नाम सुना आपने? सुना है एटम बम का नाम? उससे बड़ा क्या होता है? उससे बड़ा क्या होता है? एटम बम से बड़ा हाइड्रोजन बम होता है नहीं नहीं होता है। माधवपुरा में हमने एटम बम दिखाया था। बीजेपी के लोगों तैयार हो जाओ, हाइड्रोजन बम आ रहा है, हाइड्रोजन बम आ रहा है, तैयार हो जाइए। आपकी जो सच्चाई है, वोट चोरी की सच्चाई है, वो पूरे देश को पता लगने जा रही है। राइट? बिहार की जनता, बिहार के युवा, बिहार की महिलाओं से मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं। ये क्रांतिकारी प्रदेश है। इसने पूरे देश को मैसेज दिया कि वोट चोरी नहीं होने देंगे। और ये जो आपने बिहार में
So you heard Rahul Gandhi over there. It clearly seems now Rahul Gandhi has found different ways of targeting the Prime Minister. This is not just about targeting the BJP or targeting the Election Commission, as our colleague Mosmi Singh said. He is making attacks directly at the Prime Minister now.